Insurance sounds complicated. Policies, premiums, riders, deductibles, but the truth is much simpler than the industry makes it look. Many people assume they need insurance for everything in life: phones, flights, packages, gadgets, even small appliances. But there is actually one simple rule that makes insurance easy to understand. Only buy insurance for things you cannot afford to lose. Imagine you drop your phone and the screen shatters. It's annoying, but you can probably replace it. When something is annoying but survivable, you usually don't need insurance. Now imagine something bigger. Your house suddenly burns down. Replacing a house would cost far more money than most people have saved. This is exactly what insurance is meant for, protecting you from financial disasters. The same idea applies to medical emergencies. A serious hospital bill can be financially devastating. Health insurance exists to protect you from those overwhelming costs. Car insurance works the same way. Accidents can cause expensive damage you might not afford to pay yourself. So instead of insuring everything, focus only on the biggest financial risks. When you insure disasters and ignore the small stuff, insurance becomes much simpler and much cheaper. Remember the rule: only buy insurance for what you cannot afford to lose. Everything else is just life.